We're a couple that likes to be on the move. We like the outdoors, and both of us ended up having something that was going to limit that for us. Charlotte having a knee, me having a shoulder. The pain had got to the point where it wouldn't allow us to do our gardening. It wouldn't allow us to do our traveling that we like to do. It wasn't overcoming, it was just bothersome. And we knew that it was going to get worse. And we were extremely impressed by Dr. William and Dr. Troyer. They went as smoothly as you possibly can think of. Then to get from that stage into the physical therapy, and we were extremely lucky to find the caliber of physical therapists in Dan and Renee. And all along the whole time of this is being staged by the angel, as we've heard her referred to as Sean, of keeping everything on track. And so it's just a organization that is so set on trying to get your problem solved that we did what they told us to do, and it took the pain away. We're back now, totally doing exactly what we want to do.
Yes, we are. We do everything we want to do, and we like doing it together. We like being together and doing things together. And this is keeping us able to do our walks, do our gardening.
I'd say we're younger.
Well, I feel younger just because.
Yes, we do.
I would truthfully say I'm 99% free of pain.
Yep.
And I couldn't say that this time last year. I was in a lot of pain. I think that since we are more physically fit and able to do the things we enjoy, it also helps us to become more mentally fit. From the minute we walk in the door till we leave, it feels like a happy environment. And that makes me a happy patient.
It's a sequence that they have for your success. That if you do what these people tell you, then you're going to have a change in your life. We're healthier, stronger, and we got a lot of years left.